What's going on, YouTube? Check this stuff out. This is outside my house. I don't know. I'm going to try to see. Watch the fireworks show. Holy man. It's outside my house. Street lights. Over there. My car over here, but it's this is nuts. You hear that stuff? Surprised the power hasn't been out yet. My car in the driveway, you can see it flashing every once in a while. This is nuts. It was even worse before, and that's why I got out my camera. It was like a monsoon. There's lightning all over the place. It's lighting up the sky. Look at that. About 12:30 at night. Michigan weather. Sure glad I don't have to walk in this. It's been horrible. That's better right there. You can see that skyline. Good Lord. Oh man. I'm gonna have to head to the basement if it gets any worse. Lights are still on though. Very surprised. Oh, something different for me. Thanks everybody for watching. Deuces, hopefully I'm still alive when this is done. See ya.